What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are jumping straight into the interior on my E90. We've got some big changes coming. Now, to match our Alcantara and red stitching steering wheel, we've got new shifter and e-brake boot, a carbon fiber shifter upgrade, and a carbon fiber e-brake handle upgrade as well. Now, before I show you guys exactly how to install them, let's go ahead and get these parts unboxed and I'll show you guys what we picked up. Now we're going to start with our e-brake here. The easiest way to get this thing out is we need to get a trim tool under here and start popping it out of place all around the edge there. And then we've got to grab this firmly and give it a nice pull to get the e-brake handle to come loose. Jeez, that thing is on there. I wonder if I could, well. Well, that did work. So, don't really recommend you using force. It should come off, but in my instance, I had to use a little persuasive force to get the handle off. Guys, really quick, if you are new here and you're enjoying the videos, make sure you hit the like button so I know you guys are enjoying, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see done on the E90. But let's get right back into the video. Now, the replacement e-brake boot I have came with the replacement plastic piece. So if you didn't order one with the replacement plastic piece, you're going to have to take off your old shifter boot and put on the new one where the holes line up and stretch it over. Now, I will leave a link to the description to the shifter boot and the e-brake boot that I picked up. I got them off of eBay from a guy in Poland. He's super great with customer service, super great quality of these parts, and it looks like he custom 3D prints his own plastic parts so that you can just swap them in and out. And the e-brake and shifter boot were about 78 bucks after tax, so honestly I think that's pretty good. And shipping from Poland, it only took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get to me, so not a super long wait either. But to get this thing thrown in, we've got to turn it inside out. All right, now to get this guy fully installed, we kind of need to reverse put the boot on our new handle. So this is going to sit in the boot like so. So we need to drop it in, let it overlap ever so slightly, get it lined up straight, and throw on our zip tie. So there you guys can see our e-brake. Oh my gosh, I did it upside down again. Oh, holy. No, I didn't do it upside down. Oh my gosh, I had it on and dude, today is a struggle. Alright guys, third time's the charm. We finally got our e-brake ready to go. And that time I did not even line it up, even remotely, because I was in a hurry. Well, and I just learned it matters where you put the end of the zip tie. This needs to go down here. Let's see if we can spin it. Almost. We're gonna have to cut it out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and just clean up our surfaces. While it's out, we don't want it to be gross, and put the new one in. Let's get this nice and clean. So let's go ahead and kind of reverse install here. Get our handle on. Yes, like so. Snap this into place. Now we finally have our new suede with red stitching and carbon fiber e-brake fully on. Alright guys, now that we've got the carbon fiber e-brake and suede with red stitching handle on and installed, it's time to tackle our gear shifter here. We're going to go with a carbon fiber F30 style. We're going to go ahead and get this replaced now. And it's pretty straightforward and easy, just like the e-brake handle is. So first thing, we need to get the shifter off and this boot and housing around it. So we're going to take our trim tool and go ahead and try and get this trim to come up. So you guys saw just from the back there, I was able to get in. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that out of place. And now there's going to be some cables that we need to unplug. But in order to do that, we need to pull off our handle as well. Now these are actually kind of wild. You can pull them straight up and off. Oh, frick. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot get this thing to come off. Oh, I have tried.
I totally get it.
Cannot get it out.
There's no screw in it?
No screw, pulls straight out.
Oh, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
One eternity later.
Holy cow, guys, this thing is on there. I've watched quite a few YouTube videos and they made it look super easy. I ended up needing a lot of extra leverage. Now, I'm not big by any means, but I definitely can hold my own strength-wise. So let me just show you guys exactly how I got the leverage. I was straddling it, gripping right here, full force, was able to pull it up, punch myself in the chest, and hit my head on the roof. I'm okay, but like, damn, that thing was on there. So now that we've got that out of the way, now we can get our trim off fully. We'll pop that off. Now you can see the boot will come off and over. And now we can get better access to the electrical components here that we need to unplug. There's one here and one underneath our PRND side as well. Okay, so yeah, you just have to kind of pull on them gently but hard at the same time, if you know what I mean. Well, you might actually have to get in the little space there. It looks like there's a tab, and push that in as well. Yep, and then they pop right out. So now that we've got this out of the way, we can pop this old shifter boot out. It's just held in by some clips. So we'll pop that guy out, and we can throw in our new one. So we'll line that guy up and pop it into place. Just like so. Now here is the fun part. We have our new shifter that's gonna go back in here, and we have some wires on it, and then we also have a new wire harness that we need to tie into here to get our shifter lights to light up. Now the easiest way for that is to scan their QR code and find the instructions on exactly how to wire it up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Now that we've got the innards all connected, we need to fish our handle wires through the top to connect them to the last one. And we're going to make sure that our wire colors match up correctly. Alright, now we should have everything connected properly. You can see we have lights working here. We are indeed in park. So now we just need to reverse install and make sure our wires are not anywhere in the way. think we're in. John, I think we're in. Let's check. Nope, not quite. Oh, there we go. The suede was in the way. We are fully in now. Let's check this baby out, huh? Oh. Now that everything is finally installed, we know there's not any issues. Let's go ahead and show you guys the final aftermath of the install. Alright guys, there you have it, the new shifter, e-brake, and boots to go along with it, wrapped in that suede and red stitching to match the steering wheel. Now overall, the install was pretty easy. I mean, yes, it did take quite a bit of force to get the handle and the shifter off, but overall it's not a bad install, and I think it makes the interior feel newer and adds a nice touch on the inside of this E90. Now, if you guys want to check out any of these products for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below that you guys can check out to see where I picked up these parts from. Now, I am waiting for the rest of the trim pieces to come in. They are taking a little bit longer on shipping, but as soon as we get those in, I think the interior of this car is going to turn out sick. So you guys are going to want to hit that subscribe button if you are new here so you don't miss out on that video. Now, if you guys have any recommendations on interior mods for the E90, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. It definitely helps my videos get out to more people like yourselves, where we all just want to build cars and enjoy the people that we build them with. But that is going to wrap up today's video, so we will see you guys next time. Peace.